Hello and welcome back once again to Mommy's Yum. My name is Chioma. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. Today I'm going to be making some basic nutritious sandwiches that you can give to your toddler. You can make this as breakfast for them, or you can make it as a snack. This helps you not to buy unhealthy stuff for your baby when you are out and about. I'm going to start with this egg sandwich bites. They are very, very simple to make. I'm going to peel my egg, which I previously boiled and cooled in water. And then I'm going to use my slicer to slice it into even pieces. Eggs are very important for toddlers and growing babies. Contains protein and other important vitamins and minerals that helps in their growth and development. I have my sliced bread, which I'm going to butter now. I am now going to put my eggs on top of the bread. So just place as much as you can to cover the top of the bread. My cheese is a good source of calcium, which is also important for bone development in children. Put it together and then cut out the sides and then cut into shapes different depending on how you want it for your child. I cut these ones into squares so that your toddler can easily pick up a piece and eat. This makes a good meal or a snack for your baby when they are hungry. Next on the line is banana and peanut butter sandwich. Peanut butter and banana are two foods that can help your baby to gain weight. This sandwich is something you can give to your child if you feel that your child is not gaining enough weight from the food they are eating. Spread the peanut butter generously on the bread. The peanut butter also acts as a barrier and helps to make sure that the banana does not get soggy when you put it on the bread. So smear the peanut butter well on your bread, and then I've got my banana which I've already cut, and then I'm going to layer it on the bread. Put it together and then cut into slices. And that's it. This one is an easy one, but it's full of nutrients for your toddler and kids. And now we go to another nutritious one, the avocado sandwich. Avocado, as we all know, it's a very, very nutritious fruit. Contains essential omega-3 fatty acids, which is important for baby's brain development. So I'm using just a portion of the avocado which I've cut out, and I'm going to mash it very well. You don't need to puree it because these are toddlers and they need to be getting some bites of whatever they are eating. I'm going to be using honey to sweeten this avocado. Now I'm using honey because this is for toddlers who are 1 year and above. Remember, if you are giving this to your baby who is still less than 1 year, do not put honey. Instead, you can use banana, mash a little bit of banana and sweeten it with it. So I'm spreading the avocado on my bread now. You can spread as generously as you want because I'm sure your toddler will like it because of the sweetness in it. Once that is done, spread on the other bread and then put them together. If you are enjoying this video, if you are watching and enjoying this video, please click the like button, give me a thumbs up, cut it into slices as you want, and then your sandwich is ready. Next, we are going to be making a sardine sandwich, or sardine fingers as I call it, and I'm going to be using tinned sardine. Now, the reason why I'm using the tinned sardine is because the bones are completely edible. As you can see, this is a sandwich that can help in the good formation of your baby's teeth and bone because of the calcium content in the sardine. A little bit of mayonnaise goes into it. This helps it to be soft and moist. So I've spread my butter on the bread. Spreading butter on the bread also helps to make sure that the moistness of the sardine doesn't make the bread soggy. Now the sardine spread goes onto the buttered bread as much as you can, because remember, toddlers, when they are eating, some of the food might fall off from their mouth. So the more you put, then the higher the chance that they will get as much nutrients from what they are eating, rather than dropping them on the floor or on the table where they are eating. Once done, cut into your desired shape, and that's it. You can also turn this sandwich or any other sandwich you are making into a roll. Just like I'm doing now, all you need is to roll your bread with a rolling pin. Always ensure you use a fresh bread so that you'll be able to roll it smoothly. Spread your butter and then spread the sardine on top, just like we did in the earlier one. Now, starting from where you are, roll the bread away from you. Just gently roll it. Make sure it's as thin as possible if you can. And then that's it. Your toddler can eat this as it is, or you can cut it into small bite-sized pieces, which makes it also easier for them. Stick it into their snack box. They can hold it. You can give them the snack box to hold by themselves, and they can enjoy their snack while they are on the go. And here is another way you can cut your sandwich for your child. You can use any shape of cookie cutter to make this sandwich. So here I'm using the round one. So I'm just going to butter my bread. And then I'm going to stick some honey on it. If you don't want to use honey, you can use any of the other ingredients that we have used in this sandwich too. You can use avocado on it, you can use sardine on it. You can also cut your egg slices. It will fit perfectly in these round ones. So these are the simple ways that you can make some tasty and healthy sandwiches for your toddler and kids. Thank you for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please click the button below and subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.